Hello everyone, my name is Jo and I'm absolutely passionate about bag making. There's something absolutely rewarding about transforming fabric and hardware into a beautiful piece of accessory. Now, whether you're a seasoned bag maker or just starting out, having the right tools will make the world of difference. A well-equipped toolkit not only helps you to have a more enjoyable crafting experience, but it helps you to create something that is more professional looking. Today I'm going to share with you my essential bag making toolkit and guide you through some of the key tools and techniques. Here's a quick overview of what we'll be covering today. First, we'll dive into the essential cutting and measuring tools that every bag maker needs. Then, we'll discuss choosing the right fabric and hardware. Finally, we'll explore some construction tools and techniques. And I'll even showcase a finished bag I use using these very tools. Let's start with the foundation. Cutting and measuring. A sharp rotary cutter is a game changer. It ensures clean, precise cuts and saves you time and effort. The self-healing cutting mat, it protects your work surface and prevents your blade from dulling. Quick tip. Always use a ruler when cutting with a rotary cutter to ensure straight lines and accurate measurements. A good quality ruler is essential for correct measurements and markings. I personally prefer a long, clear ruler. To transfer markings to your fabric, consider using a fabric pen or pencil or even tailor's stroke. Safety tip: always cut away from your body when using a rotary cutter. For a curved line and intricate shapes, a flexible curved ruler or a French curve ruler is very helpful. These tools allow you to trace and cut organic shapes. Now let's talk about fabrics. Cotton is a popular choice for beginners because of its affordability and ease of use. However, consider using other options like canvas, denim, leather, and faux leather for durability and style. Tip: always pre-wash your fabric before starting to make a project to avoid shrinkage. Choosing the right hardware can elevate your bag designs. We have a wide variety including zippers, snaps, buckles, and magnetic closures. Tip: look for hardware that are durable and easy to use. Remember, the quality of your materials will impact the final look and longevity of your bag. As such, invest in high quality fabrics and hardwares for a high quality end result or product. Invest in high quality fabrics and hardware for a truly special piece. Now let's move on to the construction phase. A good quality sewing machine is a must-have for any bag maker. Choose a sewing machine with adjustable stitch length and tension for versatility. Invest in high-quality sewing needles and thread specifically for your fabric type. Let's demonstrate a few basic techniques. This is how to sew a straight stitch. This is a crucial skill for bag making. Next, we'll learn how to turn a fabric tube right sides out. This is a common technique for creating straps and handles. Tip: use a turning tool or a blunt chopstick for turning your tubes out easily. I also have a video I'm going to place in here somewhere to show you how I use my seam ripper to turn my tubes right sides out. It's quick and easy. Finishing touches are essential for a professional look. Consider using techniques like edge stitching, top stitching, and binding to knitting your seams, and add a touch of style. And now for the moment we've been waiting for, a bag I made using the tools and techniques we've mentioned in this video. I'm so proud of how it turned out. It's both stylish and functional. Notice the clean lines and sturdy construction, and also the high quality hardware. Having a complete bag making toolkit helps you to bring your vision to life. By investing in the right tools and learning essential techniques, you can create beautiful and unique bags that you'll cherish for years to come. With that being said, I encourage you to start your own bag making journey today. Remember to leave a comment below with your favorite bag making tips, and also like and subscribe for more bag making inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my other videos.